Most drivers think cleaning fuel injectors is as easy as dumping a bottle of cleaner into the gas tank. Sounds simple, right? But here's the problem: that common method can actually do more harm than good. In today's video, we're breaking down why mechanics secretly hate this method and showing you the right way to clean your injectors safely, effectively, and affordably. Section 1. The problem with pour-in cleaners. When you pour a fuel injector cleaner into a full gas tank, it gets heavily diluted, often by 10 to 15 gallons of fuel. That means it's simply not strong enough to remove tough carbon buildup inside the injectors or on the intake valves. Think about it: you wouldn't wash greasy dishes with 1 drop of soap in a bucket of water. The same logic applies here. Section 2. How mechanics clean injectors the right way. When mechanics clean fuel injectors, they don't use a pour-in additive. They use a pressurized fuel injection cleaning kit that connects directly to the fuel rail. This bypasses the gas tank completely. This setup runs a concentrated cleaning solution straight through the injectors, undiluted by gasoline. It safely dissolves carbon buildup, clears out debris, and restores the injector's precise spray pattern. In other words, it's a deep clean, not a surface rinse. Section 3. The right way for deers. But what if you're a deer and want to clean your injectors yourself safely? Here's what you should do. 1. Use a high-quality cleaner. Stick to trusted brands like Techrin, BG44000, or Liqui Moly. These contain polyethylamine, a powerful detergent that's safe for injectors. 2. Add it when your tank is half full, not completely full. This increases concentration and improves cleaning effectiveness. 3. Don't overuse it. Once every 3,000 to 5,000 miles is plenty. Overusing fuel additives can dry out rubber seals or damage the fuel pump. 4. Avoid mixing products. Never combine 2 different cleaners. The chemical reactions can damage your fuel system. Section 4. Signs of dirty or failing injectors. Wondering if your injectors are already dirty or failing? Here are the classic warning signs to watch for. Rough idling or engine shaking, slow acceleration or lagging throttle response, poor fuel economy, misfires or hard starts. Check engine light with injector or misfire codes. Fuel smell from exhaust. Section 5. The fuel quality factor. One of the biggest reasons injectors get dirty in the first place is poor fuel quality. Cheap gas often lacks proper detergents or may contain water and ethanol blends that attract moisture. Over time, that leads to corrosion and buildup inside the injectors. If you found this video helpful, hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next episode on how to keep your car running like new. Drive safe, take care of your engine, and as always, keep those injectors clean the right way.